Good morning! We are driving down through Jasper National Park today on our way to Banff. We're still holding out hope that we might see some grizzly bears, but if not, at least we've got a few nice waterfalls and lakes and things on the way to check out. First up of the day, we're here at Athabasca Falls. It's an absolutely spectacular waterfall. Actually, looking at it, it kind of looks like something that someone's built for like a waterfall feature in their garden, but obviously 20 times bigger and much more spectacular. There's also a little bit down here, an abandoned channel where the water used to run through, and then it found kind of a better way through, and therefore this little bit of rock that's been carved through is actually now all dried up. So apparently this bridge is where the lip of the waterfall used to be, obviously hundreds of years ago. It's now all the way back there. That's erosion for you. Honestly say I've never stood this close to the edge of a waterfall before. So we're just walking down to the lower canyon here now, and we're actually walking through where the water used to flow through. So this is our super high-tech time-lapse setup for whilst we're driving. We've got socks, Manfrotto tripod, Canon G7X, and the amusing thing is that John is having to time his windscreen wipers to avoid the picture taking as it's raining. And follow a little kind of woody path around to the right of the waterfall. You can come down onto the rocks down right in front of the falls here and get some really beautiful, clear, close-up shots. I mean, a lot of people I think avoid it because it looks like a quite treacherous little path, but to be honest, it only took us a couple of minutes to get down here, and it was absolutely worth it.
So if you can see just over there somewhere, roughly, that's where we just were on the other side. It's an amazing view, and it's completely central to that middle island, so it's really, really worth going off the beaten path slightly to get some great photos. I don't even know where we are. Where are we? Alright, very brief stuff at Barker Ridge. It's a little bit snowy. Well, there's only one thing for it. I'm not even wearing the right shoes. Oh, my feet are getting wet. I'm not wearing the right colour shoes. Don't, I'm holding camera gear! There you go, that was it. Stop done. That was fun, wasn't it? Yeah, thanks. These are definitely the wrong kind of shoes. But the car's so far away. Whoa! And I can't be bothered to go change. Come on, Melissa, you wuss. You've even got hiking shoes on.
Yeah, we got no grip, those cheap ones.
Well, buy better ones then.
And some crampons.
You need some bloody balance, that's what you need. I went back and got proper shoes. Let's go for a small walk. Ready? Oh, Jesus! Ice in my shoes! So cold. Oh, as I'm wearing a coat my mother insists I wear all the time, even when it's warm. I don't see why. Why not? Oh! Oh, gee. Oh, it's all in my shoes again. I can't even stop the recording, Melissa. Can you please record something with my hands racy? I'm cold. Just like to prove that Melissa is a man beater. Just trying to push me over into the snow again. It's pretty cold, help me. Quick, my shoes are getting wet. Really help. Well, as you saw, Melissa is a horrible person. I hope you fall over.
I'm just getting you back this time, she's feeling me.
Anyway, back to the car. I'm cold. God's sake, come here. It's good to get it on camera, but there's a point that it's just bad to watch.
Well, if I break my back, you'll be feeling guilty.
It's only snow. As it's pretty cold on glaciers, pretty cold.
So there is a car park pretty close to the Athabasca Glacier, which is free parking. So if you decide you don't want to do one of the tours, you can just park up and walk down to the kind of the edge of it. You can't actually walk on it because it's too dangerous without a guided, like a tour guide. But it's still a pretty good view, and it's actually huge. You can see a lot more than the glaciers that we saw in New Zealand. So yeah, it's pretty good.